for clicking on this video. It's Tay Bryce again, and I'm sure you know why you clicked on this video. It is my 5-month lock update. So I hope you guys are ready. I don't have too many things to say. Before we get into the video, I just want to thank you guys so much for getting me to 1,000 subscribers. Yes, very big milestone for me. I just want to thank you guys so much, because without you I would not be at 1,000 subscribers. So if you haven't subscribed already, please keep subscribing, like this video, comment, send it to all your friends, your LOC friends, your LOC family. Send it to whoever. Oh, one more thing. I know you guys don't know a whole lot about me, but I am recording this video on November 2nd, and I just wanted to say that my birthday is tomorrow. Yes, girl. November 3rd, election day also. So if you haven't voted yet, what are you doing? I voted. Did you vote? As this election is... Whew, that's all I can say. I hope you voted. But yes, with that being said, my birthday is tomorrow, November 3rd. I'm really curious to see how old you all think I am. Comment down below, how old do you think I am? If you already know, don't say anything. But if you don't know, go ahead and take a guess. And yeah, let's jump right into it. As you all can see, my hair, I feel like this month, like this retwist I did, I just feel like my hair looks completely different than last month. That's how I feel. You all let me know. One of the first things that I've noticed in the past month with my hair that's definitely changing is how hard my locks are getting. Like, I mentioned this in a video before about how my locks were getting denser, and I feel like within the past month they've definitely hardened up more than before. So I will show you guys. These are my little locks. Yes, I'm loving them. They definitely feel harder when you squeeze them. See, look at that. I feel like they're progressing so nicely, and this retwist really made me excited to see you know, what my hair is gonna look like within the next couple of months. But yeah, so that's the first thing. My hair is definitely getting harder as it's locking more and more, and I'm really enjoying that. I'm loving, you know, the thickness of them so far, and I feel like they might get a little thicker than this, but I mean, if they don't, I won't be mad, because I do like how thick they are right now. But you know, if they get a little thicker, I'll be fine with that too. The next thing that I've noticed with my locks in the past month is the twist pattern is disappearing. Okay, we are starting to look like we have actual locks and not just twists. On some of them, obviously you can still see the twist pattern. Some look like twists more than others, but I feel like when you know, do an overall glance at my locks, they look pretty locked. They don't look too much like twists. Yeah, so I just feel like this month my hair is really starting to take on the actual lock form. The other thing that I've noticed in this past month with my locks, oh my gosh, my scalp is so tender. Like, it's not even funny. I've never been tender-headed before. Like, I've never been sensitive when other folk are doing my hair. But when I did this retwist last week, I think, baby, no. No, and I kind of expected my scalp to get tender, but I didn't think it was going to be that bad. Like, when I tell you, I was doing my hair and I was like, when I was separating my locks, yeah, my scalp is really tender. But you know, that happens to people when they get locks, so it didn't really surprise me. I just wasn't, you know, really ready for it, but here we are, tender scalp and all. This past month, those are the top 3 things that I've noticed with my hair. I don't have too much to update you guys on. I feel like these updates are getting shorter and shorter. What else can I talk about? What have I noticed? Oh, okay. One thing that I noticed when doing my hair is that I feel like a section of my hair is getting thinner than it was. So as you can see, this section right here, when I was doing my hair, I don't know, I feel like it looks just a tad bit thinner than the other side. Like, just look at this side compared to this side. I don't know. when I was doing my hair, it looked a little thinner. I could be tripping, but I think it is getting thinner. It could be because of some of the styles that I do. I did a lot of like pulling my hair back in low buns and stuff, because like after, you know, a couple of weeks of your hair being retwisted, it starts to look a little rough. But this month I'm going to try to calm down with the styling significantly. But honestly, that's really all I have for the 5th month. Hopefully month 6 will be a little more eventful. I apologize if this video is too short for you guys, but that's really all I have to say. Sorry. Well, I hope you all enjoyed my 5-month update. It wasn't much, but I will see you next month in my 6-month update.